Hello and welcome back to the world of mathematics. So, we were discussing chapter number 15, that is symmetry. So, let's continue with the chapter. Next, we are going to discuss is line of symmetry of plane figures. That means plane figures की line of symmetry देखेंगे. A plane figure through which no axis of symmetry can be drawn is said to be a symmetric figures. That means एक figure या कोई भी प्लेन फिगर जिस पे से हम एक भी लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री और एक्सिस ऑफ सिमेट्री ड्रॉ नहीं कर सकते, दैट मीन्स वो फिगर हमारी टू आइडेंटिकल शेप एंड साइज के अंदर डिवाइड नहीं हो सकती, उस फिगर को वी आर गोइंग टू से इट एज असिमेट्रिक. An axis of symmetry which divides a plane figure into two halves that are equal in shape and size, that is our axis of symmetry. For example, this is rectangle. Rectangle के अंदर we have two lines dividing it into two equal parts. So this is our axis of symmetry or line of symmetry. Similarly, a kite. स्क्वायर में हमारे पास वी हैव फोर लाइंस ऑफ सिमेट्री बिकॉज स्क्वायर को अगर हम फोल्ड करेंगे वी विल हैव टू इक्वल शेप्स एंड साइजेस. Similarly, a rhombus की we have two lines of symmetry. Let's discuss your exercise 15b that is given on your page number 212. Question number 3 is how many axes of symmetry can be drawn through an oval? Oval में से हम कितनी axes of symmetry draw कर सकते हैं? 2, right? The English letter C. C में से we can draw one axis of symmetry. So we are going to write 1. Isosceles trapezium. As we have discussed in our previous chapters, isosceles trapezium कौन सा trapezium होता है जिसकी two non-parallel sides equal होती है. So उसमें से again we can draw one line of symmetry. And a regular pentagon. Pentagon is a figure having 5 equal sides. So we are going to have 5 lines of symmetry here. Question number 4 says identify any three letters of English alphabet through which no line of symmetry can be drawn. जिसमें से हम एक भी line of symmetry draw नहीं कर सकते. For example, we can take S, we can take N, and we can also take Z. So this can be three alphabets जिसमें से हम एक भी line of symmetry draw नहीं कर सकते. Then the next comes is your question number 5. Which of the following figures have a line of symmetry? Draw the lines of symmetry wherever possible. That means A part. Can we divide this figure into two equal parts? Yes. So this is our line of symmetry. We can divide this figure into two equal parts using this line. So it has one line of symmetry. Then the next is this car. We can divide the car using again one line. So this is also the line of symmetry. Similarly, this weapon. इसमें से भी हम one line ऐसे draw कर सकते हैं so that it is identical in shape and size on both the sides. So this is our line of symmetry. Question number 6 is draw a triangle having no line of symmetry. As we have discussed in our previous video, no line of symmetry. We will draw any scalene triangle जिसके तीनों ही sides हमारी different है. B part is having one line of symmetry. Again, as we have discussed this also in the previous video, we will draw any isosceles triangle जिसकी कोई भी दो sides हमारी equal हो. And three lines of symmetry. Again, for three lines of symmetry, we can draw an equilateral triangle जिसकी हमारी तीनों sides equal हो. I hope this is clear to you. If you have any doubts, you can drop your doubts in the comment section below. Then the next is question number 8. Question number 8 is draw the reflection in each of the following. हमें reflection बनाने हैं. Reflection कैसे बनाएंगे? बहुत simple है. For example, ये एक diagonal है square का, तो हम इस side एक diagonal बना देंगे square का, like this. Now, this is again a diagonal, so we'll draw again a diagonal. जैसा हमारा इस side पे है, वैसे ही हम इस side पे बनाएंगे. We are having diagonal of two squares, so we will draw the diagonal of two squares. Then again we are having this line, so we'll draw this line. Again diagonal of two squares, so again diagonal of two squares, and then sleeping line, and then we have a sleeping line, and the figure is complete. Similarly, we have to do in B part. Sleeping line here, sleeping line here, downward line here, downward line here, two sleeping lines, two sleeping lines, one downward line, one sleeping, one downward, and four sleeping lines and four sleeping lines, and our figure is complete. I hope this is clear to you. So your home task is you have to do exercise 15B, question number 7 and 5 remaining parts in your notebooks. Question number 1 and question number 2 we will discuss it on our online sessions. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay blessed, stay happy, and thank you so much.